Starting a business used to be risky, expensive, and time-consuming. But now, with artificial intelligence, AI, at your fingertips, launching a company has never been more accessible, even if you're starting with limited capital or no prior experience. Whether you're looking to create a product, start a service-based company, or launch an online brand, AI can guide, automate, and accelerate nearly every part of the process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a business with the help of AI. Step 1. Clarify what you want to build. Many entrepreneurs get stuck here. You may have a broad idea like, I want to start a business in fashion, or I want to work for myself, but struggle to define the exact offer. This is where AI becomes a powerful brainstorming partner. Use AI to help you. Discover trending markets and niche ideas. Match your skills and interests with business opportunities. Identify pain points or gaps in a specific industry. Try this prompt in ChatGPT. Based on my background in graphic design and interest in sustainability, give me 5 online business ideas that solve real-world problems. In seconds, you'll have a list of potential paths to explore. Step 2. Validate your idea with AI-powered research. Once you have a potential business idea, test whether it's worth pursuing. In the past, you'd have to pay for expensive market reports or conduct focus groups. Now, AI tools can quickly analyze demand, competition, and target audience behavior. How AI helps. Use ChatGPT or Claude to simulate customer feedback. Explore Google Trends to check demand patterns. Use Ubersuggest or Keyword Planner with AI summaries to see how often people search for relevant solutions. Bonus tip. Feed your business idea into ChatGPT and ask it to act as a competitor doing a SWOT analysis. You'll gain insights you may not have considered. Step 3. Plan your business faster and smarter. AI can help you write a lean business plan that's ready for investors, lenders, or simply for internal guidance. You can generate executive summary, business model canvas, target market breakdown, financial forecasts based on assumptions you provide. Best tools. ChatGPT for structured business plan writing. Notion AI for organizing documents. LivePlan for AI-powered templates and financials. These tools help you build a roadmap without hiring a consultant. Step 4. Build a brand that stands out. Your business identity, name, logo, style can all be designed with AI in under an hour. AI branding tools to use. Namelix. Generate memorable, brandable business names. Loca or Tailor Brands. Create a professional logo instantly. ChatGPT. Develop your brand voice, slogan, and tone. Canva's Magic Design. Auto-create social templates and brand kits. With these tools, you can establish a polished identity even before your first sale. Step 5. Launch a website with zero code. You no longer need to hire a developer to build a website. AI website builders allow you to describe your business, and they'll generate a site that's ready to go. Top picks. Durable. Launches a business website in 30 seconds using AI. Wix ADI. Offers design and copywriting suggestions using AI. Webflow plus AI tools. Ideal for more custom or advanced design needs. Once live, you can add AI chatbots, email capture forms, and product pages with ease. Step 6. Automate customer support and operations. You can run a lean operation by using AI to handle repetitive tasks. Here's how AI helps. Tidio or Intercom AI bots. Respond to customers instantly. Zapier plus ChatGPT integrations. Automate workflows across tools, e.g., new lead, add to CRM, send welcome email. ClickUp or Notion AI. Manage your daily operations and team tasks. This means you can scale your business without hiring staff too early. Step 7. Create content and market with AI. Content marketing is one of the most powerful ways to grow, but it takes time. That's where AI comes in. Use AI to write blog posts, newsletters, and add copy with Jasper, Copy.ai, or ChatGPT. Design social media posts with Canva AI or Okoya. Produce short videos with Pictory or Lumen 5. Optimize for SEO with Surfer SEO or NeuronWriter. Example prompt. Write a blog post targeting new moms about the benefits of organic baby products, written in a friendly tone. Let the AI create, then edit and personalize the content before publishing. Step 8. Sell smarter with AI. You need sales to grow, but cold outreach and lead nurturing take time. AI can streamline both. Sales tools to use. Apollo.io. AI-enhanced lead generation and outreach. Clay. Personalize cold emails at scale using GPT. MailChimp AI. Optimize your email marketing with smart recommendations. You can also use ChatGPT to write sales scripts or simulate common objections so you're better prepared to close deals. Step 9. Track performance with AI dashboards. Once you launch, AI can help track what's working and suggest improvements. AI analytics tools. Google Analytics 4, GA4 uses predictive insights to guide marketing. Hotjar Plus AI. Understand how visitors interact with your site. Tableau with AI assistance. Create dynamic dashboards and visualizations. These tools highlight what to double down on and what to fix. Step 10. Think of AI as a co-founder, not just a tool. AI won't replace your creativity, leadership, or judgment, but it will enhance it. The smartest entrepreneurs use AI to do more with less, stay competitive, and pivot faster. Real-world example. An independent freelancer used ChatGPT to brainstorm a unique product, scented affirmation candles, created the logo in Loka, launched a Shopify store with AI-generated descriptions, and marketed the business using Canva AI and Instagram scheduling tools. Within 30 days, they had 100-plus orders, all without hiring anyone. Final advice: start lean, learn fast, scale smart. Thanks to AI, launching a business no longer requires thousands in startup costs or a technical background. You can validate an idea, design a brand, build a website, and reach your first customers, all with the help of tools already available to you. But remember, AI accelerates execution, not vision. Your willingness to experiment, listen to customers, and evolve is what will ultimately lead to success.